Hi CHS, I'm Teddy.
And I'm Maddie, and this is Columbia Cougar News.
The deadline for AP registration is November 13th. For more information, see the link on Canvas.
All this week and running through Thursday, November 21st, all 4 grades will compete to see who can raise the most money for local food pantries. Containers for each grade will be in the cafeteria during all lunch periods, so bring in your spare change or cash and help your community. The winning class will win a Spirit Day celebration before Thanksgiving break.
Pizza is the favorite food of so many people, but which pizza in town is the best? Well, we put some local pizzerias to the test. Alright, one bite, everyone knows the rules. Just a little burnt, but I don't want to make prejudgments, so let's see.
Crust looks good. Let's just dig right in.
By the seasoning on it, doesn't look too greasy. Yeah, let's see how it is. Their cheese pizza, and
Did you know that the Parnassian Society is the oldest CHS club, started way back in 1885? This fall, the company will be presenting its dramatic production of the Children's Hour. There will be 2 weekends of shows on November 13th, 14th, 15th, and November 20th and 21st. You can get your tickets now by scanning the QR code you see on the screen.
the Student Council Volleyball Tournament will be held on November 18th from 7 to 10 p.m. Teams will consist of 6 to 8 players. If you have more than 6, the rest will be bench players.
The cost is $30 for 6 players, but $7 for each extra person up to 8. It is first come, first serve with a max of 16 teams. If you would like to make a team, please fill out the form in your email and on Canvas. Payments will be made in A216 during 9th period and after school beginning this week.
Also, if you would like to come to watch the tournament, it will be $2 per person. If you have any questions, please see Naomi Abrams or Miss Bennett.
We all know that CHS is filled with some super talented students, and this year we're starting a new segment where we spotlight some of that talent. First up, CCN's very own Amin Bryant. Hey, Zeno!
Hold on, I'm trying to get hit with this one. Yeah. Hold on. And I got scars on my body, baby. Balenciaga, baby. Got rats, I'm talking crazy. I'm up, I know they hate me. These little boys rookies, baby. Got rats, that's cookies, baby. They been out push me, baby. Finna no look it, baby. We steady stacking. We got them rackets, Why they harassing, They never touching me. Leave it to passes, I'm steady jacking, Count all the rackets, No, they not up with me. That hate is stuck with me. I pray to G.O.D. They hating on my life. I'm feeling so spooky. Mask up, it's Halloween. I did this in a breeze. Lil Zeno counting cheese. Run up 100 G's. I did this for my team. Make sure we all gon' eat. Put LV on my feet. You know that it ain't cheap. You know that it ain't free. You know it come with fees. I'm talking crazy on the mic, them boys they go like sheesh. I'm taking the back street, I'm going down that road. Got 100 rats on me, you know I'm feeling bold. With no face for the puffin', when outside getting cold. My ears chilly, baby, it feel like the North Pole. Yeah.
It may be getting colder outside, but for this week's question of the week, we asked some students and staff for a hot take.
What's your hot take?
School should be all year round.
Oh, hell no.
School should be 12 months a year.
You just want to make sure like, what's going on?
Channel orange over blonde every day of the week.
VJ Edgecombe is already ahead of Michael Jordan and is best of all time.
I agree.
I think hot dogs are overhated.
My hot take is that we do not have free will.
I love his sister. What's your hot take, Mr. Husser?
Cell phones should be banned.
No. Oh my.
Vanilla ice cream is better than chocolate ice cream.
That's a lie.
I used to really not like ketchup.
Sorry.
I think that we have too much school. I think talking about 12 months of school, school shouldn't start till after Labor Day, should probably end around Memorial Day. We need our summers, we need to get outside, we need to get off our phones and do things and get out there. And we also need time off during the winter when we really need it.
I hate NBA Youngboy.
I agree.
So overrated.
6'7" is 6'7".
So Maddie, do you have a hot take?
I think pineapple is actually really good on pizza. What about you?
I would say that math is red, English is yellow, history is blue, science is green, and anything else is wrong.
Those are all your announcements, CHS. Remember to check Canvas and your email for any updates.
And teachers, club advisors, coaches, and team captains, if you have an announcement that you want on our show or the PA, make sure you email it to Mr. Camp.
Have a great day, everyone, and be sure to tune in next week for another episode of CCN.
And you can always check out the CCN YouTube channel for more great content at Columbia Cougar News.